job, Cass.
Hi, everybody. Okay, so this is, oh man, bright sun. Really bright sun. So this is our last night at what has been our favorite campground.
Unbelievable.
It's unbelievable. Now, we've stayed here 3 times since we've been in North Carolina. It is on coast to coast, and the other one that's like their main club is Travel Resorts of America. So we cannot tell you anything about Travel Resorts of America, but absolutely nothing.
And but they didn't bother us the whole time to get purchased.
Yes, they did not. They did not come around and bug us, which was amazing. Okay, so welcome to Sycamore Lodge. This place is kind of out in the middle of nowhere. We don't really have a lot of stores or anything close, about 25, 30 minutes, but it is scenic and beautiful. Now, when you first come in, you pass the old Dodge shack, and then you come to a split. So if you go to the right, you're going to have this little path here, and if you have a golf cart, this is amazing. It goes through the woods, and you can actually go completely through the woods there, and there's a really nice, like a produce stand. Inside, she did like pumpkins and veggies and fruits and all kinds of neat stuff. And they sell ice cream down there. But I saw a couple of people that would ride straight down there, go there, and then come back. But that's where it leads to. And then they have a small baseball diamond here, which I enjoyed. And then if you go straight back there, that is the movie theater, the drive-in movie theater. So they have a movie for the theme every Friday, completely free. They have a snack shop and stuff down there, which is not free, but very neat to have it on property. So continuing on that first right, you have the forest strip. Now the forest strip is kind of like their premium sites. They're very nice, very shaded. We personally love that they were shaded, but it was really tight over here. And if you were coming in on certain memberships, you will not get this area. So Sycamore Lodge is part of the Travel Resorts of America, and it is one of the many campground memberships that are out there. So we are actually here on our coast to coast membership. So we're not an actual member of the park, we're an affiliate member. And we are going to do a video very soon on memberships because there's a lot that goes into that, but they are extremely worth it. So we're here on coast to coast. And so we would not be able to get any of these quote unquote premium site area over here. That would be for their members, the people that bought in at this campground. They'll be reserved for them. And what we found as we've been traveling on our coast to coast membership is most campgrounds only have a few spots for coast to coast. So usually it's anywhere from like 10 to 20 spots, sometimes a little more, sometimes a little less. And you're not always the one that gets the full hookup if they're very limited, things like that, because you are an affiliate member, not an actual bought-in member. So just keep that in mind if you do have coast to coast and you're going. However, this is a lovely park and it's definitely worth coming and checking out. So as we finish up here, there are 3 different rows here for the forest. I do want to mention that along coast to coast, you do get blocked out during campground holidays. So just keep that in mind. And Halloween is fantastic, but it's hard to get in here. So this is the main lodge when you come back out from the forest and onto the main road. And there were people in there earlier doing something, so we didn't record any volume or anything in here, which is, the whole reason we're doing the voiceover. This place is gorgeous, though. So you walk in, and there's so much seating room. You have this beautiful entryway, and we were here close to fall, so they were already starting to decorate. And as you go through the entryway, there's several different rooms. So this is like a library TV room where they have board games, DVDs, books, cable TV there. Lots of places to sit and just enjoy this place. And people were actually down here more than we thought. Most of the lodges we've seen at campgrounds, people really don't take a lot of time to enjoy them. They're just there for looks, but there actually are people that come and hang out down here, which is really nice. Great areas to play cards and bring snacks. Now, we didn't see them do any programs in here. Most of the programs that we went to when we were here were all done in the activity center you'll see later. So this is a nice quiet area if you want to bring the family down for a board game or, some other fellow campers that want to play cards. So great area. And then up here, now this dining hall area, they do events in here sometimes. But you can also, if you have a birthday party or something like that, members can use it. and it is great, and it leads straight back into a full kitchen, which having access to a full large kitchen is really nice. I would love to stay here around Thanksgiving, Christmas, when we cook bigger meals, and I wouldn't have to do it all in the RV because look, two full-size ovens. The sink is great. I love that sink. Now the fridge freezer combo in the back there, you see those are only for staff. However, we had a few things that we like could not fit in our freezer, and they did allow us to leave those in there. So if you ask nicely, I'm sure they would. There's also a very small laundry room off to the side. It's one washer, one dryer. But for some reason, no one's ever down using these, and they are a quarter cheaper than the actual laundry room. So, got to save that money. All right, there are also three bathrooms in here. Now, this is just a bathroom, but look how pretty it is. I mean, all the decor is just beautiful. There's one there to our left as well. And our favorite thing about this campground is the clawfoot bathtubs. Oh my gosh. As a full-time RVer, never getting to soak in a nice hot bath is one of the things that I miss from having a house. And this place definitely gives you that fix. And they are super clean. They clean this place like crazy. It's spotless. You have another little great sitting area here with lights. And then this office, we've never seen one in here. I actually did a video conference in here. I brought my laptop, shut the door. No one bothered me. So that was really nice to have access to that. Now, this was our favorite bathroom of all. This is the third bathroom, clawfoot tub, double-sided shower, which is the coolest thing ever. I've never seen that at a campground. But when you have little kids, this is great because I could bring the boys down here and me and Mike could shower. I could put one in the bathtub and then everyone could switch out. And it's a very spacey bathroom. So that was amazing. We absolutely love that about this place. And to your right there, we're passing the store. Straight across, this is the activity center that I was speaking about. This is where they do the crafts and the kids stuff. There is a back access to that there. They have tons of things to do. Tons. Mini golf, horseshoes, shuffleboard. Oh gosh, what else? Basketball. They have a playground. Um, cornhole, horseshoes. I can't remember where I mentioned the horseshoes. So many stuff. And what we love is they have them all out in little sheds. So you don't have to go actually rent the equipment from anyone. You don't have to go up and ask to borrow it. It's all out there for you, which made it really nice because the boys could go enjoy it and not have to keep taking their ID out. Playground also was a plus. We did not go to the pool while we were here, but they did have a pool and a small hot tub, and it was beautiful and clean, but we didn't really take advantage of that. All right, Mike's gonna go check on our laundry while we go explore the other bathroom. So the lodge is only open like 9 to 6 or something. So the rest of the time, these are the campground bathrooms, and they are amazing. I think there was 8 or 10 of them, but the cool thing is they are AC'd, they are heated, which is great because we don't get that a lot of campgrounds, and they are private. So you go in, you have your own bathroom space to shower in, and it's just awesome. It's so nice to be able to go in there and have your own space and not have to have two or three people open and closing the door, freezing you while you're in the shower, people running in and out. It's just nice to be able to spread out, put your space out, and get your shower. All right, so let's go check out the laundry room. Great laundry room facility. Cannot remember how much it was to wash and dry. I want to say maybe $1.50. I can't see if you can see on there. And they did have the bigger washer and bigger dryer too. So they had regular ones and then bigger. So that was really nice. And then these are the cabins, and I just had to show you guys this because they're so beautiful. Look at this, like mill style cabin with the water wheel. This is one 2-story cabin. So this is fantastic. I don't know what the prices are here. I actually talked to my own family. I'm like, you guys need to come stay in this cabin because they look beautiful. And no one was in this one at the time. But they have a propane grill, beautiful inside. I think they're maybe 2 bedroom. I think is what someone told me, and they are right on the pond. So they overlook the water. Beautiful. The other thing that makes this place stand out is this is the largest dog park I've ever seen. Everything you're seeing right now is the enclosed dog park. It is humongous. Our pup had a great time running laps around this, which is fantastic. And that little stand you see there, that's actually a doggy wash station. So they have it all set up with like the groomer table, everything, so you can bathe your pup. Awesome. Never seen that in a campground. All right, so we're hopping through the loop now that runs along the lake. Now, what's interesting about some of those is some of them have RV sites at the cabins, which we've also never seen before. So if you have someone staying in a cabin, you put your RV right next to them and, stay together. So that was really cool. Now, this is your main strip area. So this is the largest area of the campground. It's huge. It's several rows. And this is where you would stay if you were coast to coast. Now, there was full hookup and everything except for the first row by the dog park. That one is not full hookup, but everything else is, which is another plus because none of us want to deal with the honey wagon. And what we've actually coined the schwagon from NOP because that's the greatest name ever. We love that. Um, and another thing to consider is if you get here close to fall time, they start bringing their members in for the Halloween. They actually build a huge haunted house and they pay a small admission to it. And then that, I think it's like $1 a person. And that admission goes to help the community, not the campground community, but the actual city itself. They do a lot of fundraising, really neat stuff for the community here. So just know if you get down to that fall season, they come in, they do double those up. So the sites you're seeing, they will put 2 RVs back to back on a site. Now they do try to make sure that, it's someone or you're comfortable with. But if you get there towards the end and that's all they got left, you may get put on the same site as someone else during those holiday times. So keep that in mind.